Hello, my gorgeous friend. It's great to see you. Welcome to the very first episode of our 30 days of perfect pumpkin protein recipes, where I'm going to do 30 recipes using the Get Lean protein and make them into some amazing pumpkin dessert that you can eat and enjoy without feeling guilty, and also have some of the healthy benefits of using actual pumpkin puree. So today we're going to start by making a pumpkin protein fluff. This would be great for parties or just to have as a snack later on in the afternoon if you're really craving something sweet, but not overly too sweet. So we're going to start, we're going to use 8 ounces of Cool Whip. So I've got I've got a 1 cup here. I'm going to take 8 ounces of that, put it on in our bowl. Scrape that on in there. Looks so good. You didn't see that. So before we move on, I thought it might be fun, in the spirit of pumpkin, to do a quiz all about pumpkin. Moving to our first question. Is a pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable? If you guess fruit, ding, 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 you are correct. Question number 2. There are blue pumpkins. True or false? If you guessed true, you would be correct. Is the Australian blue pumpkin. Question number 3. What state grows more pumpkins than any other state? New Mexico, California, Illinois, Florida. Bing, bing, bing. If you guessed Illinois, you are correct. Now for our final question. How much of a pumpkin is made out of water? 10%? 90%? 50%? 20%? Now, if you guess 90%, you are correct. All right, let's get back to our recipe. Next, we're going to take a half a can of our pumpkin puree. Here I have 29 ounces, so we need about 15 ounces. That's what we're looking for. And we're just going to place that on top of that Cool Whip. So just throw it on down in there. It's going to look so delicious. It's going to be so good when we're done. All right, set that to the side. See what we've got right there. It's our Cool Whip and our pumpkin. Next, we're going to take a pack of our, I've got sugar-free vanilla pudding, and we're just going to use the powder itself. We're not actually going to mix it up. So we're going to sprinkle about 1/2 to 3/4 of the powder down there. Then we're going to take a 1/2 scoop of our Get Lean vanilla protein powder by Glamour Fitness. And we're going to take that 1/2 scoop and dump it on in there. And as our final measure, we're going to take a pinch of pumpkin pie spice. Just a little bit, or you can add more if you like. Let this be up to you. We're just add a little bit. Then we're going to stir that up. We're going to get a little elbow grease in here, stirring it nice and smooth. Woo! Pick it up. Yeah, that is looking so good. It's looking so creamy. Nice and smooth, creating that fluff-like appearance. Put it down there. This is your workout. A little elbow grease in here. Well, you're supposed to kind of fold that over. Mix it in though. All right. So your finished product here should look like this. I'll come around and show it to you. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Now that we have that nice and stirred, here comes the best parts. Take you a graham cracker or vanilla wafer, dip it in, a little on there, and enjoy. Yeah! Cheers.